Hi guys, welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to make cornmeal porridge, and these are my ingredients. Just some simple ingredients. Some people have nutmeg, add nutmeg into their cornmeal porridge as well, and different spices, but I'm doing something simple today. Just some grounded cinnamon, vanilla, my cornmeal right here, and I have some coconut milk and some salt and my condensed milk I'm going to use to sweeten it, and I might use some brown sugar as well, but these is my ingredients. Enjoy. Okay guys, I have my water boiling, so hot water boiling up. I put some cinnamon powder in it, some salt, and I have my cornmeal. I already put some water in my cornmeal. Inside I use a half a cup. I have my coconut milk right here. I'm gonna add my cornmeal to the pot. As you know, cornmeal get thick, so you always have to stir. You have to constantly stir the pot so it won't get lumpy. So I put like a half a cup of cornmeal inside here. So this is some milk, coconut milk, and my condensed milk over here. I have some water just in case it gets too thick. So right now I'm just stirring. So to be consistent with your cornmeal porridge, you have to constantly stir because it will lump up on you if you do not stir it. If you do not stir it, it gets lumped up. So it's a constantly stir. And since I'm only doing it for myself, I did like a cup of corn, like one cup of this, cup size of mixture, 1 cup of cornmeal porridge, of cornmeal. Then I add water to it because I'm putting it into a hot water, because you have to make sure when you're putting it into the boiling water that it's not thick. You can't just put it in or just pour the cornmeal by itself into this boiling water. If you do that, it's going to lump up on you. You see how quick it gets thick? It gets thick very quick, and I don't like my porridge too thick, so I have the water beside me. So, ooh, it's popping up. I just add some water to it. Be careful because sometimes it pops up on you. You constantly stir it. Add some water, and take your time when you're adding the water because you don't want it to be too. Make sure your stove is turned on as well, not too high. Constantly still thick. Constantly stirring this thing so it won't get lumped up. As I stir, I'm adding my water because it depends on how you want it. If you want it too thick or medium. See? Thick. I want a little bit. But I'm not gonna add too much water because no more water because I'm gonna add the coconut milk inside of it. Mix. Add my coconut milk. Coconut milk, egg. It's a lot of stirring, guys. You have to stir so your porridge don't get lumpy. You want to have that smooth cornmeal porridge. Nobody don't like no lumpy porridge. That porridge should be smooth. Circular motion, circular motion. So this morning I wake up, I was like, I'm gonna make some porridge. I feel some porridge. So I find these in my cupboard. The only thing I didn't have was some nut and egg, but that's okay. It's still gonna taste good. I like it like this. See how it looks? Yes. I like it. So this is going to cook. Then I'm going to add my vanilla. Tip some vanilla inside. See, my porridge, I like it just like that. I'm making this porridge cook down. It's gonna cook down. Then after it's cooked down, I'm going to add my milk, my magnolia milk, and then I will show you. Then that's the way I make my porridge, guys. Add my condensed milk. So I'm adding the condensed milk right now. Sometimes I add brown sugar as well. So it's popping. I don't like my porridge too sweet. I just like it just right. So it depends on your taste, how you like your porridge, or you like it sweetened. But I don't really like mine too sweet. I just like it to be just right. Just right for my taste buds. Just right. Just right. I'm gonna taste it. Ooh. And be careful, guys. When it pops, it burns. So be careful, be careful, be careful. I'm gonna turn my stove down low. Put my cover on it. So it could go and cook. Turn my thing low. As I turn it down low and put a cover on it, I'm also watching it to make sure it do not get lumped up. And then I'm gonna come back, put some more condensed milk inside, and put my brown sugar, and then that'll be complete. And I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will really appreciate it. Thank you.